Hey there! Welcome to Digi Online Academy. Tips on improving your language skills. First one, practice writing simple basic sentences. The basic structure of any sentence in English is subject-verb-predicate. The language is built by adding adjectives, adverbs or phrases or clauses to the basic sentence. For example, Alex is the child who lives a few houses away, comprises two sentences, 1 Alex is a child and 2 Alex lives a few houses away. If you can understand that the entire language is built on the basis of simple sentences, you will see how easy it is to correct your English. Using relative clauses as in the above sentence who, which or that makes a simple sentence complex. Using conjunctions but, hence, however in clauses turns a simple sentence into a compound one. If not used carefully, they result in incorrect sentences. Hence, students who are not confident in English should use only simple sentences because everybody can construct them correctly. Do that until you feel you have gained command over the language. Second tip, read daily. Read, and read anything you like, a classic or a comic, it makes no difference but read. It will increase your speed of reading with understanding, and subconsciously enable you to pick up vocabulary and correct sentence structure. This is because you are exposing yourself to English in use. My elderly aunt, who went to the UK, was illiterate. But, when I met her many years later, she spoke like a native though she could neither read nor write. This was because she heard English in use all day. Simply by listening to correct English or reading it, we internalize and use it when required. Likewise, listening to videos and podcasts will also help. Third tip, use AI tools. There are multiple free AI-driven software that automatically suggest ways of correcting sentences, vocabulary, spelling or punctuation. Use this till you develop a feel for correctness. With perseverance and continuous practice, you will win the battle. Don't be discouraged by failure. Remember, it will take time. Even the best user of English has had to struggle with the language. There are no shortcuts or miracles, only hard work and patience that will help you reach your goal. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more such videos. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to share, it can help a new learner. Don't forget